Hello people, Joe here. How you guys doing? I just get through broiling some chicken. See how nice they look? So, but today, I want to talk about that stuff that was happening in the mall in Miami. So I'll bring Bobsy in to lighten my sheet to help me in that.
Hi guys, Joe saw the story, but I gotta keep it moving along, all right? So it was New Year's Day.
Frente a Bayside.
It showed, I would say, like 200 police cars. What I showed you just now looked like a little bit, right?
200 police cars?
I'm saying it's 200.
For a riot? Wait. For a riot in the mall?
They said it was, at first they said it was 4 kids.
Okay.
This is the news now. No, you go. It's your show.
Okay.
They said, the news said it was 4 kids fighting each other with sticks and fireworks or whatever, firecrackers.
Okay.
And so they went with a big police presence to try to like let these kids know who's the boss, right?
Gotcha.
And of course, all over the internet they have stuff like LA and New York. You better watch because this is how Florida handles this. Yet I'm like, okay, leave us alone. We're not bothering you people in Florida. Just leave us alone over here in California. We're happy, even with our big earthquake we just had 2 days ago when I was screaming. So
how big was it?
4.2. But it was up in Wrightwood, so it shook us real good. No lie, I screamed and I cried. Anyways, back to the story. So it looked like 200 police cars was just dashing towards that mall. And so the news said about the fight with the 4 people, right? 4 kids.
Right.
And then this TMZ picked up the story because TMZ only pick up story if the bloggers are picking up the story, right? And the people started to come online saying that they were at the mall, listen to this, and that they saw aliens in the mall, and there was a big 8 to 10 foot tall shadowy creature in front of the mall. And then this one guy came on, he's all over YouTube, his video is trending.
So is the alien that caused all this to happen?
They saw the aliens, so people called the police, and the police were running there to see these aliens.
Oh, okay.
That's what the conspiracy theory is. So this guy, I don't know his name, he's trending all over YouTube, and he said he was there, and he saw the shadowy creatures inside the mall, and that they were running for their lives, and when he looked back, the creatures would disappear, and then they would reappear.
You know, folks, what I think they saw is illegal alien.
Oh my God, you will get canceled.
Maybe that's what they say, illegal aliens in the mall.
So I like a good conspiracy theory, but I don't fall for these far-fetched conspiracy theory. I believe that there's aliens. Do you believe that there's aliens?
Yeah, I guess there's other creatures out
That's what I mean. Extraterrestrial.
Like us, maybe, but
I believe they exist.
I don't think there's no 4 illegal aliens.
And they didn't say no illegal aliens, Joe. They had a right to be here. So I was telling Joe the story from last night, but I just showed him the video just now. And I have my own theory as to what I think happened, but I want to hear Joe's theory. Don't get too far from your people, baby. Go close. What do you think that all that police presence was truly about?
To me, I mean, if anything was happening at the mall with the kids and whatever.
If it was a fight.
I don't see why I have a 200 police vehicle down there.
And it was a lot. They said, somebody in somebody else's chat said, what if it was like sniper activity? Well, all the police cars are not going to go to the same direction and bumper to bumper like that if there's reports of a sniper, because then they'd be sitting ducks, right? So what do you think? You told me what you think it's not. You don't think it's anything to do with these kids fighting.
Nah.
So, and do you think it's about the aliens? The 8 to 10 foot tall aliens?
I tell you, it's illegal alien.
Oh my God. That's what you're going to say? All right, so let him say that and come over to my page. I don't know which page I'm going to put it at. I'll put it in the link below. I'm going to tell the story over there, my version of the story, and I'm going to tell you what I think.
I don't think there's no alien, please.
So what do you think it is? Don't you have a thought of what you think it could be?
People.
It's almost like when they have like a fallen cop, and you know all the cops make that procession and they go through. It's almost like that, but more cars. So I don't think it's that either. I don't think it was a fallen cop.
Well, maybe an alien just want to start to show themselves.
So you're falling into the alien trap?
You say it's not illegal alien, so I guess it's alien.
8 to 10 foot tall aliens. Okay.
Where was the flying saucer?
I don't know, in the mall. I don't know. These conspiracy conspiracy theories are too far-fetched for us. We too old for this foolishness, okay? But I love watching other YouTubers and their take on
I
it.
know people are gonna agree with me. They must see illegal alien over there. They don't see
And Joe can say, Joe stop. Joe.
I was illegal one time in my life.
I wasn't gonna put your business on blast. I was gonna be a good girl. Talk to them so I can find something really quick at your page, babe.
Right.
Talk to them. Talk to them so I can find something really quick at your page. All right, I already found what I'm looking for.
What are you looking for?
So this person named at Just Jules 2029 said, "Why don't you and your wife speak on your own ethnic group issues versus attacking Black American couples and inserting yourselves into other ethnic communities? Let's hear y'all speak on your own." And she has a lot of capitals in here. On your own culture and ethnic group. Before I saw the name say Jules, I thought it was a girl because only a woman could be this petty. I mean, they have some men that would be petty like that, but mostly a woman, right?
And we were just talking about Cat Williams.
And we didn't say nothing negative.
What he said.
We just talked all the positive things about what we admire about. I think she really got messed up and was watching the Simone Biles video that did well for you.
But I don't say nothing bad about Simone. I just say Simone
for real.
She is the catch. She's the prize. That's the way I look at it. That's why I told my daughter, you guys are the prize. Don't worry about the money ain't no prize.
Yeah, so Joe answered her back and Joe says, "It's not my ethnic group that's being trifling this time." And we can honestly say that with our whole chest because at my cooking page, when I have trouble with anybody, it's always with my own ethnic people, like what she said. I don't know what, I feel insulted. I feel like there were like racist tropes in what this lady said because what kind of ethnic, do you know us? Are you a whole fan? That's what I put in my comment. Are you a whole fan lurking? Because Joe's channel is fairly new. It's been here for a while, but it's new to the uploads, right?
What she's trying to say to me, Black American is different from Black Belizean, different from Black Puerto Rican.
Can you talk with it? Could hear you?
No, to me, what it looked like to me is like she was saying that Black American is different from Black Belizean, Black Puerto Rican,
Black Trini, Black Guyanese.
Whatever. Folks, we're all black together, no matter where we come from. If we could speak Spanish. It all started
in Africa.
We are from Africa. We look the same.
You know what you should do in one of the other videos?
Sometimes we look ugly the same. Look.
Oh my God. You know what you should do in one of your other videos? Show your ancestry DNA.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it shows how much African Joe has in him. It shows how much African I have in me. Of course, I have a little bit less. I have a lot less. That's embarrassing. Yeah, because with the way the mixture is mixed up on my mom and dad's side, I thought I should have more.
Your mother makes also have
European.
Your dad have European. So
how did I get so much? I thought I would at least get only 30% European.
You get
from all sides?
From all sides.
Okay, so maybe one of the other, don't hit the counter because it's gonna bounce the camera. We're gonna do your ancestry DNA reveal at your page because we have it at my page and it did exceptionally well at my page, but you can reveal it here at your page because this lady, I think it's a woman. I think you were just being bitter, you know, to tell us like, talk about your own ethnic. We didn't bash Simone Biles, we didn't bash Cat Williams, and we are black and you're not gonna pull our black card. I might be a lighter skinned black person than Joe, but the country where I come from, so you can know my ethnicity in case you don't know it, I'm not Hispanic. You know, I'm from Belize. Belize don't have no, what do you call it, race groups. Belize, we're all Belizean. We don't have black Belizean, white Belizean, Spanish Belizean, Mexican Belizean. We don't have that.
We're all melting pot. You go look Mexican and you still got black in you.
And we say you're Belizean. So I don't know what you were trying to say about my ethnic group, right? And this is my man from my own country where I was born and raised, where he was born and raised. And we're married to each other. And we don't think that we're better than Black Americans, and we don't think Black Americans are better than us. Like Joe said, none of us are better than the other one because we're all the same. Don't say the word. Shorten the word.
Yeah.
Whole.
But it's true.
Rub up your show, baby. So you're gonna stick with the fact that it's aliens. We're going back to the beginning of the video.
I already tell you, the illegal alien. That's what it is. I mean, a lot of people they're gonna be on my side. They're gonna say, where the alien coming from? The only alien it could be is illegal alien. That's all over America.
But 8 to 10 foot.
Yeah.
Well, I guess they're illegally from what? One of the other planets.
Yeah.
Joe, don't slam the counter.
Yeah, right. Illegal from Pluto.
So let me tell them real quickly what you made your chicken with.
Okay.
So it's lemon herb chicken, and he put he washed it with distilled white vinegar because that's what our ethnic people do. I'm gonna drag this lady forever. I'm not gonna block her. So he washed it with the vinegar, and then he put salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, cayenne, right? And then he squeezed lemon all over it.
And rub some olive oil over
Olive oil. Did you put the olive oil after you washed it or after you add all the spice? After everything? And then he broiled it on a baking tray. He put aluminum foil on a baking tray so he don't mess up my cookie trays. And he broiled it, and he just kept turning it and turning it and turning it until it was done. And that's for dinner.
It don't take too long, maybe 35 minutes the most.
Cool. All right. I have this at my cooking page, so I might put links below. Wrap up your show, sweetheart.
Okay, people. Thank you guys again for subscribing, share, and all that good thing. And like I said before, without you guys, I can't do it. So thank you guys. Thank you guys a million times. See you guys another time. Bye-bye.
Ooh, I see you bite that all sexy, though.
It's so good till I close my eyes. Let me think about something different. It's so nice. Hey, it's so good I started to think about you.
Oh, circus